brother here, Brian, has come from across the road from the aged care centre. And he actually came and complained to me there was a little bit of noise this morning. A little bit of noise because of the Eid prayer, because we had microphones outside. I've been sitting with him. I want you to go home as a Muslim. And our brother here, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has opened up his heart to become Muslim. Brian, you're doing this on your own free will?
Exactly.
Okay. So Brian, you repeat after me. Ashhadu.
Ashhadu.
An. La.
La.
Ilaha.
Ilaha.
Illallah.
Illallah.
Wa.
Wa.
Ashhadu.
Ashhadu.
Anna.
Anna.
Muhammad.
Muhammad.
Abduhu.
Abduhu.
Wa Rasul.
Wa Rasul.
Allah. My dear brother.
Allahu Akbar.
Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar.
I don't have the keys, man. The keys.
Man, there's something more.
Welcome him to Islam. Welcome him to Islam. Rahma, Rahma. Have a big family now.
Welcome, brother. So Brian, you repeat after me. Ashhadu.
Ashhadu.
An.
An.
La.
La.
Ilaha.
Ilaha.
Illallah.
Illallah.
Wa.
Wa.
Ashhadu.
Ashhadu.
Anna.
Anna.
Muhammad.
Muhammad.
Abduhu.
Abduhu.
Wa Rasul.
Wa Rasul.
Allah. My dear brother.